Hey guys, how's it going? It's me again, Mr. RD, and today we're going to just focus on making your homepage for your website. Now, I don't like wasting time, so let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to start like I always do with a simple prayer, which is just Jesus. And if this is your first time, this is just to make sure that I don't say anything dumb. Alright, so here we go. You already know it's going to be free. If you want to support me, like always, you can just buy my books and let me know if you like them. And if you didn't like them, God bless you. Don't tell me. So here we go. We're going to focus on making your website look like this. No, it's not me. It's a stock photo in the back. But see how I have my name up there, and you have the links up here, or the menu, and you have where it says your books. These are all the same. I just picked the same book, but they can all be different. And then links to go to your books and little information about you. So we're going to learn how to create this today, or at least parts of a day, and then the rest we'll finish up in the next video. So give me a second to move on. So here we go. Whatever theme you want to use, you should always go, like last time I showed you, you should always go to free. That's why I do it first. Then you type in responsive. Responsive just means that it will literally do the same thing it will do for you on the mobile and the mobile, the tablet, and the computer. So those are the ones you want. If you wonder why I paused, y'all know I don't like wasting time. So today we're gonna use the die2 or DI2, whatever you say. It doesn't really matter. You activate, customize, of course. This loads pretty fast, so I don't pause. Probably still will. Y'all know how I am. And we're just gonna pick a picture. So we're gonna go down here to where it says header, because that's the main part. We're gonna add an image, and this will be a picture of literally you, because it'll be somebody seeing your website. They want to see your face and say, "Oh, that's him." Okay. Then we're gonna hit it and move this out the way. Select and crop. You get only a certain area, so you get your face. It'll probably do more, but I say right there. And then you crop, and now that image is there in the background of you. So once you do that, you save changes. You go back, side in it, whatever your name is. Mine is what? Mr. RD. So now you already have a nice little header, so when people come to your site, you save that. You get out of here. Make sure it says display site title and tagline. If you want a tagline, just some about you or something important to help people, or phrase you use, you can put it there. We go back. I can exit out really now. Then I go back to my home page. So I go to pages and I go to home. This one might be a 10-minute video. If not, then it might be a 5-minute video, but most likely not. So something I do not like about this is I don't like home being a thing. I want it to be books. So we'll do this first. Say we can put my books. But you're probably wondering, but how will people know that this will take me back to my regular home page? That's a good question. I'm glad you asked. That's when we go back here. So we go back to customize. So we're going ahead. That's why I'm taking my time. It might be even like a 15-minute video, but it's going to explain. You go back to customize again. When you get to customize, you can have it where you go to your menu. When you're at the menu, you go to primary. This is the only one that's kind of complicated. And right here, you see it says my books. Now, you change this to home. So at the top, it will still say home, but when they see it and they scroll down your page, it's still going to say my books. So it's still taken back home, but it looks more clearer and better. So that's the way you change that, because you see it says original my books. So it'll stay my books, even though it's actually home page. So we exit out of that, and just to show you the preview, we'll go to my books. So I'm about to stop and pause it, and I'll do another video because I do have something to do, but I'm gonna pause and just let you see, and we'll come back, and you see right there the home button is home, but my books. So that's one good start of how we're doing it. So give me a second and I'll be back with the other one, which you won't know because I'm pausing. So now here we go, finishing up. Now when you get here, you're gonna see this right here or other stuff. I had to delete some stuff. I was going and it messed up because my power went out. So I had to, it's not going to look the same exactly as yours. But here we go. So you click on this and you're going to have to delete a lot of stuff. But it's not that hard. You go up here, you press whatever item you press the little 3 dots, remove block. Do it again, 3 dots, remove block. You're going to have a lot more. Once again, 3 dots, remove block. Remove block. This one's kind of harder, but because you got to do each one separate. You can do it all at once. Sometimes it takes a minute. So I just like doing it like this. Now, I don't want this. Skip this form. Oh, my bad. Remove the whole block. There we go. Now, you go up here and you'll press to have it the same way I had. You don't use column. You do grid. So layout grid. You can type in here or scroll down. Either way it goes. Layout grid. Click that. Make sure it's not wide like this. Don't do full width. So press again and it'll bring it center because it'll make it look clearer. Now, if you want it all the way across and just huge, then that's on you. I don't. So I'm gonna do 4, a layout of 4, and first of all we're gonna focus on the desktop. So I'm gonna get my pictures, images, select image, media, first picture. Move this out the way, insert, next picture, image, select, media, insert, and we just, hold on, let me change this one out because it's not the same size. So I'll probably have 2 of the same pictures, but it doesn't matter, just showing y'all. Image, select, media. Make sure your images are the same size. So you can do that in any type of, just document, any type of software to help you change the size. Image, select, media, and I'll do the same one again, just save time. So now you look, we update, we look, we see how it looks. Looking nice across the board. So we close it. We have to see how it looks. Now you go down here to see how it looks. When it comes to, let me click over here. You gotta click up here to make sure you get them all. Sometimes it's hard to do, but I'll get it eventually. There we go. And you gotta make sure, okay. Over here, now we look at the mobile. See, we don't like the mobile like that. We want it to look the same way it does on desktop. So we go 1. Oops, sorry. You gotta click down. 1. It's not letting me. Sorry about that. Let me go this one first. There you go. 1. 1. 1. Now that let me go 1. So now, if we look, we preview it. We look on phone. It looks the same way. So now we're good with that. Now let's do it one more time. And we're going to check the tablet. Tablet has 2 of them. So we don't like that. So we do 2. You can do, I think you can do 2 on this one. I'm not mistaken. Only thing you got to fix on this one is you got to put this, of course, to 0. Like the last one. 0. And now you have it as well. And now on the tablet, the phone, and the desktop all look the same. There will be a picture of you, your name, your book. And let me pause it real quick, see if I can get another one. Then down here, now I think we'll stop here for today. Now, you know what? I'll finish up and do one. This one might be a few minutes long, so it might be a little bit over 10. The last thing we do right here, it was to add buttons. You go up here, type in buttons. And you can change it, which I'll explain more in a minute. Y'all can't even tell. So, I know everybody wondering, why does he just edit that out? I just don't feel like it. So, here we go. To sum this up, now, and bring up my time. I'm still trying to make this short. When you do buttons, you want to keep adding and adding. You do not want to do them separately because they'll stack on top of each other when it's in the mobile, and you don't like that. And you want to probably stop at least 3 buttons, not like 4, because it'll stretch out too long unless your words are small, and then they'll stack on top of each other if it's too much. Maybe that doesn't bother y'all, but y'all got problems. It bothers me, or maybe I just got issues. So, but here we go. So, say you want about. Of course, you don't want that many buttons because you already got the button at the top. Of course, my books, or you can put view books and contact, or if you have a blog, whichever ones are more important to you. Then you go over here, click this, and make sure you center it. So that's center. If you don't like the colors, you go over here, press whatever it is that is. You click on contact or whatever which one you choose. Go to color, background, black. So now you see it's black. Whoop, hold on. Let's see this one. Background black. Update. Let me pause and make sure it's working correctly. It is. It's working correctly. It just for some reason doesn't want to show it on here. And now we look. We preview. And there you go. And you can add other stuff. But let's see if it doesn't stack. You might not mind it stacking, but it bothers me. And phone. Oh, it's stacked. Hold on. Don't like that part. The best way to do that is just put books. It should have let you do it without that, but and there you go. Now it's a clean look. And if you want to add words to the front, just to see how that looks, you go down here. Whoop, let me click that out. You go down here. You click paragraph, which is right there. It's always gonna be there. And you can. I'm just pasting whatever, something simple. And we look. I think I might have messed up the color. Nope, there it goes. And this is how your website will look. Picture of you, nice picture of you. People know it's you. They know your name. They know your books. And they can click right there as well. And just to show you, to make it simple, if you just want to have it where it's a link to your book, you click on this. You click link. Let me pause it. If you just find something random. You paste it in here. You click this button, which I'll show you more steps on how to link it to the exact page. You enter that, just in case you already know. You always press update. You preview. You visit page. You scroll down. We look, nice cover, nice everything. Click on that. And you see it took me to another page. So that's it, guys. I'll do another one breaking down each page and how each page works and how to connect the pages. The next one probably going to be real simple because it's just about creating your page. So, like always, guys, thanks for watching. In regards to if you ever buy anything from me or if you like the video or not, I pray that you have a blessed day. In Jesus' name, amen.